News coming in from Kerala. Let's just bring that up over here. A court in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram has dismissed the petition of the state government seeking to withdraw cases against the LDF MLAs from 2015's Assembly Ruckus. The case was registered against a group of LDF MLAs, two of whom are also current ministers in the state government, for creating ruckus in the Assembly in March and the destruction of public property while attempting to prevent the then UDF Finance Minister, the late KM Mani, from tabling the state budget. The opposition was protesting in the Assembly, attempting to stop the state finance minister inside the House over allegations of bribes regarding the renewal of bar licenses. Sneha Menikoshi joins us for more on this. Sneha, what's the background of this case?
Well, Vishnu, these were the unprecedented scenes that were seen across Kerala. These were visuals that were relayed live on television. Visuals like the speaker's chair being toppled off, mics being thrown, the left MLAs standing on top of tables, on top of benches. All of these were witnessed live by people or anyone and everyone who was watching the news. So these were absolutely shocking visuals in 2015 when the Assembly was on. The left at that time, the LDF, was in the opposition in the Assembly, and they were protesting against the UDF for the alleged allegations of corruption. KM Mani, the then finance minister, late KM Mani, there were allegations of corruption, of bribery against him, and the opposition was trying to prevent him from tabling the budget or presenting the budget before the House. So all of this chaos just unfolded during the Assembly session. And eventually it was the speaker had gone ahead, taken case, had given a go-ahead for the case. There was a case registered initially against unidentified, or on at least the MLAs were not mentioned. Eventually the names were mentioned. There were 6 of them, including 2 of them who are currently the ministers in the left government. So once this left government came to power in Kerala, they went ahead and decided to withdraw this particular case. Chief Minister told it in the Assembly amid a lot of protests, saying something that has happened in the Assembly should not go out of the Assembly or into the courts. And that's why he's withdrawing the case. Of course, a lot of protests by the opposition. And now the court has said that the case cannot be written off or cannot be withdrawn, which means that the case and the proceedings against these MLAs who are right part of the ruling dispensation in the state will continue, Vishnu.
All right. Thanks very much, Sneha, for joining us.